Hi everyone, this is Vishal from Team CLAT Prep. We have yet another update now. Supreme Court stays Delhi High Court order to revise CLAT UG 2025 results. The Supreme Court on Wednesday stayed the Delhi High Court ruling that had directed the Consortium of National Law Universities to publish revised results of Common Law Admission Test for undergraduate courses after factoring in errors in 4 questions. So everybody is already aware that 4 क्वेश्चन में चेंजेस आए थे. वो 4 क्वेश्चंस क्या थे, क्या क्या चेंजेस थे, वापस फटाफट से एक बार देखते हैं. One question was from English section wherein the answer key was changed to option C. इससे बहुत लोगों को फर्क पड़ा होगा और काफी लोग हैं जो एक्चुअली ऑप्शन सी मार्क करके ही आए होंगे. सो प्रोबेबली 95% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स वुड हैव इंक्रीज देयर मार्क्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ. देन देयर वाज अनदर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द लीगल सेक्शन. दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन डिस्कार्डेड. द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ दिल्ली सेड दैट दिस इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड द स्कोप ऑफ द पैसेज एंड द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट सपोज टू हैव प्री डिफाइंड नॉलेज. सो इसकी वजह से इस क्वेश्चन को डिस्कार्ड कर दिया गया था. देन there were 2 questions of quant section wherein the changes were made. One of the question which is the wages paid to men working, and the question's answer was changed to option D, that is none of these. This also is not creating a problem now. तो ये जो 3 questions है अभी तक, इन तीनों question की वजह से problem नहीं create हुआ है. Problem has been created because of the 4th question that was from the quant section. और क्या problem है इस question में? The answer to this question is option B. Set A में ये क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल सही था because the question which you needed to refer for solving this particular question was the question just above this. और आपके क्वेश्चन में भी ये लिखा हुआ था refer to question number 909 above. This is the master booklet. आपके set A में ये correct आया था. But set B, C and D had dispute in this particular question because the question which was being referred to did not have that information जिसके बेसिस पर आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सके. The reference was made wrong. Now what the verdict was as per the Delhi High Court is कि set B, C and D students should get marks whether they have attempted or not this particular question. While there will be no change, the only candidates who attempted these questions would be getting marks as per the selected choice. If it is correct, you will get the marks. If it is wrong, there will be negative marking. Now the problem is with those students who have not attempted these questions, जिन्होंने attempt ही नहीं किया. Now as per them they are saying that when we have not attempted being from set A, let's say, and there are students who are from set B, C and D, उन्होंने भी attempt नहीं किया, then why there is an unlevel playing field? Because what is happening is जब उन्होंने भी कोई effort नहीं डाला इस question के ऊपर तो उनको क्यों score मिले? Because the verdict was irrespective of the fact that the students actually attempted this question or not, they will be getting the marks on this question. So this is something which was challenged by whom? Challenged by Siddhi, and she is claiming that ये बिल्कुल गलत है उनके साथ because that is something which is making an unlevel playing field, and therefore she has requested कि they should consider this. Now Supreme Court has said that कि they should come up with a hearing on May 5. So they have issued the notice to the Consortium of National Law Universities, and they've also asked the NLUs, Consortium of NLUs, to put up this on their notification. So now we are waiting for May 5th for further hearing and further updates. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.